Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Afifa Nurmali Hidayah. I'm from 12 Science 2. In this video, I want to show you how to operate washing machine. So, let's get started. The materials needed are washing machine, socket, water and inlet hose, water tap, basin, water, and detergent. Here are some steps to operate washing machine. The first step is separate the white clothes from the other colored clothes. Second, connect the water hose to the inlet hose. And then turn on the water tap. And let the water flow into the wash tub in accordance with the amount of clothes to be washed. After that, add proper amount of detergent and put clothes into the wash tub. Soak and let stand for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, plug the washing machine cable into the wall socket. Then, set the wash selector to normal position and turn wash timer clockwise to 15 minutes position. When finished, make sure the wash timer is at the off position. Then, lay down the drain hose and turn the wash selector to drain. And wait until the water is drained. After that, the next step is rinsing. Transfer the clothes to the spin tub. And place the spinner cap on the top of clothes. And then close the inner and outer spin tub lid. After that, turn the spin timer to 2 minutes position. Then spin dry will start. After spin drying, open up lid. Then transfer the clothes to the wash tub. After that, set the wash selector to normal position. Connect the hose again and turn on the water tap. After that, let water flow into the wash tub and rinse for another 3 to 5 minutes. Repeat it 2 to 3 times. After that, lay down the drain hose and turn the wash selector to drain. After that, the next step is spin drying. Transfer the clothes to the spin tub. And then place the spinner cap on the top of the clothes. Close the inner and outer spinner lid. And then turn the spin timer knob to 2 minutes position. Then spin dry will start. After 2 minutes, open up the lid and move clothes to the basin. And after doing all this process, finally the clothes are ready to be dried. And don't forget to unplug the cable. So, this is my video about how to operate washing machine. I apologize if there are still many mistakes in this video. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.